Quit playing with your toys. Alright. I was gonna do it, but it was gonna suck. Oh well. We have an unboxing video, and we are going to unbox it with my mighty sword of judgment. Pretty cool. Alright. So. This box is brought to us courtesy of Winston Loom. This is going to be awesome. Ugh. Try not to slice my freaking stomach open. Should always have a blade pointing away from you. You know, for a letter opener, this thing does a terrible job. Come on, you can do it. Winston Loom uses really strong tape, too. There we go. God, bubbles. Holy crap. We have bubble wrap. Quick bubble wrap. Open sesame. That's therapeutic. You know it's therapeutic. Oh, there we go. Recycle that. Ooh, guess what? I know it doesn't look like much, but inside the box holds a mystery. So let's see what's in the box. That's in the box. Oh yeah. That's cool. Tamashii Nation 2015 SH Figuarts Shadow Trooper. Carefully. You know I'm not one of those mint in box people, so I hope this doesn't break anyone's heart. But can't leave my figures in a package. It just seems wrong. Ooh, he's badass. Look at this dude. Oh, that is awesome. This dude is awesome. He does come with two pointing hands or gun holding hands. And also the other hand to help him hold the gun with two hands. But dude, look at those eyes. They're creepy. He looks like he's gonna haunt your dreams or something. He's cool. Awesome. Very happy. Again, thank you, Winston Loom. As you can see, excellently packed in a much larger box than what is necessary. Very happy, and thank you, dude. Y'all have a great day. Did I stop it?